Instagram's dying reach. TikTok's crowded. But this new app called Lemon8 is giving side hustlers a massive opportunity. Let me show you how to grow early and fast. Download Lemon8 from the App Store or Google Play. It's owned by ByteDance, the same company behind TikTok. And it's exploding in popularity for aesthetic content, lifestyle, and tutorials. Create content in one of these high-performing niches. Product reviews, digital downloads, fitness or food guides, how I made money, case studies. Think of it as Pinterest meets Instagram. Clean visuals, carousels, and lots of value-based text overlays. Use Canva or CapCut to design clean branded posts. Add hooks in your titles like side hustle you can start this weekend or passive income from home. And always include a CTA like DM me for the link or link in bio. Lemon8 is still new, so your chance to go viral and get noticed is huge. Start now, and you won't be fighting an algorithm later.